It is 8:30 on a Tuesday morning, and a young professional is standing in line at a brightly lit modern cafe. The ambient music is soothing, the aroma of freshly roasted beans fills the air, and within 2 minutes, they tap their phone against a terminal. A satisfying beep echoes. A few hundred rupees leave their account, and they walk out holding a hot premium coffee. It feels entirely harmless. It is a minor transaction, a tiny fraction of their monthly salary, a small comfort to kickstart a long workday. But let us freeze this exact frame. Look at the cup, look at the receipt, and let us ask a deeply unsettling question. What if this coffee actually costs far more than the number printed on that thermal paper? What if this habit costs you 25 lakh rupees? To understand how a small daily ritual expands into a massive financial black hole, we have to look past the coffee cup. The daily coffee rarely travels alone. It is almost always an entry point into a much larger, invisible pattern of unconscious spending. Think about how a typical week unfolds. It starts with the premium morning brew. Then it morphs into ordering lunch through a food delivery app. Over the weekend, it becomes an automated subscription to a streaming service you barely watch, or a casual scroll through an e-commerce app. Every few years, it manifests as the urgent desire to upgrade a perfectly functional smartphone to the latest model, financed through monthly installments. The purpose of tracking this pattern is not to shame anyone. The coffee is merely a symbol. It is a metaphor for a lifestyle of microtransactions. We live in an economy engineered to make spending frictionless. Tapping a phone and automating renewals remove the psychological pain of paying money. Let us unpack the mathematical engine that turns these small numbers into staggering sums: compound growth. Imagine taking that 9,000 rupees a month and redirecting it into an index fund, compounding at 12% per annum. Over 15 to 20 years, that small daily expense grows into a massive financial cushion crossing 25 lakh rupees. But this traditional advice contains a massive flaw. Blindly cutting every pleasure does not create financial freedom. It creates a deeply miserable existence. The true enemy of your financial future is not a beverage. It is not the coffee. The real enemy is spending money without awareness. Consider two individuals. The first consciously loves coffee. They manage their major financial pillars, avoid debt, and save consistently. Now look at the second person. They skip the $5 coffee, but buy a massive luxury SUV on a heavy 5-year loan. The contrast reveals a truth. Wealth is built by plugging the massive invisible leaks in your ship and maintaining absolute clarity. To achieve this, identify the small expenses that genuinely improve your life and protect them fiercely. If it brings you joy, keep it. Simultaneously, ruthlessly eliminate the purchases that are automatic, forgotten, or purely driven by passing emotions. When you shift from restriction to intentionality, you stop viewing savings as punishment and see it as buying your future freedom. The next time you are in a queue, take a conscious breath. Ask if this purchase feeds your soul or is just an unseen leak. The costliest purchase you will ever make is not always the biggest one. Sometimes, it is simply the one you repeat every day without noticing.